Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to do a spelling check in Google Sheets. This tutorial will be very efficient, especially if you are working on something that contains a lot of words and you just do not have the time to check all of those words manually by yourself to check for a spelling error. And also, sometimes it's confusing to check, especially if there are a lot of words on your Google Sheets. It gets kind of confusing. We mix words up, or we mix letters up, and we cannot identify. It's difficult for us to identify which one is right or wrong. And today I'm going to show you how to make your work efficient and your life easier. Now, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button. And for those of you who don't know, we have a dedicated playlist that compiles all the Google Sheets tutorial on our YouTube channel, so please be sure to check it out. And from there, you can learn how to do, let's say for example, format currencies, merge cells, create different worksheets, insert formulas, functions, how to copy and paste formulas using align or autofill rather, rename all of the worksheets that you have, and all of those in the line. Now, on how to do a spelling check, it is actually quite simple. All we have to do is to focus on the upper panel of our screen, in which we can see the different tabs right over here below our file name. We can see our ribbon right over here. But for this tutorial, we need to focus on the Tools tab. And as you can see, we have the Spelling tab right over here. As we hover our mouse, you can see it will drop down two different options, which we have Personal Dictionary, which we also have on Google Docs. And we also, by the way, we also have a playlist for Google Docs tutorials, so please check it out. And we have the spell check. Just click on spell check to inspect the spelling errors in your Google Sheets file. Click it once, and as you can see, we have different spelling errors right over here. Now, if you do not have any spelling errors on your Google Sheets file, this is what it will display. That is, there is no spelling error suggestions on your file. However, let's say for example, I have mistyped this as this. Now, if we do the spelling check right over here, as you can see, it suggests us to change this word to this word, which is subscribing. And if you want to change it, click on change, and it will automatically change it to the appropriate one for you easily. And as you can see, there are no spelling suggestions anymore because we have changed the spelling errors already. As simple as that, we can do simple spelling checking here on Google Sheets. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and dropping a like. And from here, I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.